In today's video, I'm going to explain about the d block elements or the transition elements. So what are the d block elements? They are those elements in which the last electron enters into the d orbital. Here we have the periodic table. Let us take an example of a d block element, scandium. What is the atomic number? 21. Okay, so we have scandium, atomic number is 21. So what will be its electronic configuration? It is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3d1, 4s2. Sorry, it is 3p6 and then the 3d1, 4s2. Okay, so this is the electronic configuration for scandium. You can also try for the other elements for titanium, vanadium, chromium, and so on. So here we see that the last electron enters into the d orbital. Okay, that's why it is a d block element. Okay, so now we will come to why d block elements are known as transition elements. Now we come to this question: why are d block elements called transition elements? Why? Because they exhibit transitional behavior between highly reactive ionic compounds forming s block elements, that is electropositive elements on one side, and mainly covalent compound forming p block elements, electronegative elements on the other side. Because these d block elements exhibit the transitional behavior between those of the s block and the p block. That's why they are known as transitional elements. Okay, now let us do the position of the d block elements. Where are they placed in the periodic table? Now from the periodic table itself we see that the d block elements are placed in between the s block and the p block. Okay, and then next we come to the electronic configuration of the d block elements. Next we come to the valence shell electronic configuration of the d block elements. Here I'm writing the electronic configuration of scandium, titanium, vanadium up to zinc. That means the elements of the 3D series. So from here, this 4 is our n, okay, and this 3 is our n minus 1. So if n is 4, then n minus 1 will become 3. Okay, that is for the 3D series elements. Now if we come to the 4D series, then what will be our n? It will be 5, and then here it will be 6, and so on and so forth. So based on that, the general valence shell electronic configuration for the d block elements can be written in this way: n, okay, ns2, n minus 1, where your d varies from 1 up to 10. Okay, so this is the general valence shell electronic configuration for the d block elements. Note that your n varies from 3D series. Here it will be 4, here n will be 5, here 6, and so on. Okay, so just substitute the value of n, you will get the valence shell electronic configuration. You can try for the other series, for the 4D and the 5D. And why are these elements known as the 3D series elements? Because the last electron enters into the 3D orbital. And for this one, for these, they are known as 4D series because the last electron enters into the 4D orbital. For these, the last electron enters into the 5D. That's why they are known as 5D series elements. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.